Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be doing some shake and bake. No, we're not going to be cooking. We are going to be using the PUR Powder to Cream Under Eye Concealer. So if you want to see how this turns out, just keep watching. Alright guys, this is quite the interesting product. This is by PUR and it is called their Shake and Bake Concealer. So what's different about this, it is a powder to cream concealer. So I saw this, Rachel Loves showed this on her channel and I thought it looked very intriguing. I'm always looking for new concealers to try because I do have very dark under eye circles and I thought I would give this a try. So this only comes in 2 shades and it's $26. You can purchase it at Kohl's, so that's how I had to purchase it. And it has a little squeeze top to it. I haven't tried it yet. Let's just go in and do this. So again, it's a powder to cream. Just going to shake some out. Hopefully you can see this here. I don't even know how much to take. Use not much there. Ooh, it's kind of messy. And we're going in. Okay, that's obviously not in it. Okay. Definitely melts into a cream. It says it's supposed to be creaseless as well. So let's see if that's true. Okay. Look in the mirror. Very interesting. Well, that's pretty interesting. I'm going to try putting some on my sponge just directly. The sponge is just barely even damp. And let's see if we can go in with that. It's tricky to get it up to your eye. I still don't feel like the sponge did anything. Why am I wearing white powder? Down. There, that got some. I also feel like the sponge is lifting it away too. I feel like it's going down and then it's coming right back up again. It's got like a, this is the naked eye. Definitely has a powdery feel to it. What else could we do? Let's just try a flat brush. I'm going to try a flat brush. The other eye, I want to try something else on it. Nope, that didn't work either. Okay, I think that's about as good as we're going to get. What I'm going to do on this eye is I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape and I'm going to use this as my setting powder to go over the top of it and see if we get any kind of a difference in the coverage that way. So I'm going to go in pretty lightly with this, just a few little dots. And I'm going to blend that out with my sponge. This is definitely a different color. So you can see the difference between the two eyes for sure because of that color, but now let's go right in on top of this and see what kind of coverage we get that way. So awkward, that I don't like. feel like I'm using so much of this already. Okay, so here's the difference between the two eyes. Again, this is the Tarte Shape Tape with the powder over the top, the Shake and Bake, and this is strictly the Shake and Bake. Let me go ahead and do the rest of my makeup and we'll go back. I'll be back and we will see how this turns out. Alright guys, I am back and here is the final look with my makeup. I kind of zoomed in because I'm hoping you can kind of see close up how the Shake and Bake performed. I'm going to insert some photos right here so you can see close up how it's looking. So with my right eye, which is the one that is just the Shake and Bake, they said no creasing, and I'm sorry folks, I'm seeing a lot of creasing right in here. I don't know if you can see that, but it definitely did a lot of creasing there. And then this is the eye that I did the Tarte Shape Tape with the Shake and Bake right on top of that. That one turned out a bit better, but I can kind of see where it's looking kind of patchy right in here. Did not crease nearly as bad. I did not set this under eye at all, and the only thing I set this with was the Shake and Bake. So as far as concealer goes, I always set my under eye. So for this one, I think it actually looks pretty good considering it hasn't been set. This one, personally, I don't think it's worth it. I really don't. It didn't give me the additional coverage that I need for my dark eyes. It was very messy to try and apply. No matter what I did, you saw I tried to use a brush, I tried to use my finger, I tried to use a beauty blender, and it just did not work on any of those. So I would say this is a big pass, and I'm going to be returning this, unfortunately. So thought I'd give it a try. So much for Shake and Bake. I'll just go use the Shake and Bake and do some chicken instead or something like that, or pork chops, we'll see. But thanks so much for watching, you guys. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to leave any comments or questions or any types of videos that you'd like to see me do down below. And until next time, I love you and bye-bye.